whiskey. There's also inside the little chamber, which catches sounds.
Yeah, this is I have a sort of a philosophical argument about this now, about what we're listening to and what we're seeing, and which is, I mean, you're really going to hear a philosophical argument from somebody wearing these, right? Hi. Anyway, it's that, what are we really hearing? We're hearing all the power that's being used at this moment in time, causing vibrations to come to our ear through a pathway. Now, if I describe the pathway is consisting of some things that they used power to put up a while ago. All this architecture is decisions about power and material that were used in the past, at some time in the past, maybe recent past in the case of this walkway, you know. That's temporary, we would say, but somebody used some power to put a structure in place. And that's forming a sort of an amplifier and resonator. So we're catching the current use of power being trapped and resonated by some kind of previous use of power in the past to make these structures.